What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and this is the Legends Pinball and the Legends Ultimate. Today we're going to be installing the Bitpixel. I'm going to show you how to install it, and if you run into any problems, we're going to show you how to fix those problems to get it up and running. Just like the Pixelcade on the Legends Ultimate, it displays all the information on the game titles, but in this case, the pinball tables are going to be displayed on the Bitpixel above the back box. This is the Bitpixel. And it comes with the mounting brackets included, already installed. Let's flip it over and take a look at the connections. Alright, so you can hang it on the wall if you choose to. And if you just power it in, it'll just say Legends Pinball, I believe. So right here is the data cable. It comes with the data cable and the power supply. And this is a USB data cable that plugs into the Legends Pinball. That communicates with the Legends Pinball to the Bitpixel. And this, of course, is the 12-volt power line right here. Now back here is the micro SD card. Now, for any reason, if you try to install the Bitpixel and you did all the software and everything, all the settings, and you did everything correctly, and it's still not working, and it's not communicating, then you might have to format this micro SD card. So unplug the power cord, step 1. Step 2, push down to remove the micro SD card, and you can slide this out just like that. And then you want to go ahead and plug it into your PC. And when you plug it into the PC, you want to make a folder called Bitpixel and drag and drop all the contents from the micro SD card and drag them into that folder that you created, Bitpixel. So once you back up all that software to the Bitpixel folder, next step is to download the utility to format the micro SD card. Once you format the micro SD card, then it's prepared to download the software. Step 3, download the zip file, unzip it, and then take that 5 files and drag and drop it into the root of the micro SD card. Once that is complete, right click to eject the micro SD card, and then go ahead and plug it into the Bitpixel and see if that works. And then of course plug in the power to the Bitpixel. Now you may have to uninstall the Bitpixel from flash drive X and reinstall it. Okay, so we're just gonna set it up right there. Then take the USB cable and plug it into the right USB port. I have the flash drive X already configured. And then we're going to plug in the Bitpixel. Alright, once you plug it in, it'll say Legends Ultimate actually. I thought it said Legends Pinball. And then let's go ahead and exit out of this game. Alright. Now, I already configured the flash drive X. Just to recap, to do that, you just make sure you get a 32 gig or lower flash drive X USB drive, plug it into the left USB port, and then you go to settings, and then you go to flash drive X, you format, and then after you format the drive, then you mount it. And then it should auto mount every time you turn off and on the Legends Pinball. It should automatically mount, so you don't have to do this all over again. Then we're going to go to App Store X. This is where you download all your, Zachariah Volume 3 and all the pinball tables. But you have to purchase them through atgames.net. Yeah. Second page, and then go to Pixelcade, hit Start, and then Start again. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and install, and then you can launch it. But you can also select allows Pixelcade X to automatically start on reboot. So it automatically will connect, and you don't have to do this all over again. So that's a good thing, right? If for any reason it doesn't work, you might have to uninstall and then reinstall. All right, and then you press to launch. Now it should launch. All right. and it'll say stop, cancel, uninstall. But right now, it launched. Okay, now you just gotta wait. It'll turn off within, I think, 10 seconds of hitting launch. It'll turn off, and then say welcome. You want to go ahead and install back glass display. Okay, and then you can just install that. I already have it installed. That's what it says in uninstall. All right, so let's go to tables, and this is World Tour, and you notice that it shows up on the back glass and also on the Pixel case. How cool is that? And then right here is the deluxe tables, and it shows up right there. Let's check out all of them. Works fairly fast. Has all the same art. These deluxe tables I highly recommend. So I did configure my own control deck.
Getting too scary.
And how I did that is I used a hole saw and I drilled through the plastic and installed these buttons and wired the buttons to this button's wired to this button, and then this button I believe is wired to this button, and then this button's wired to this button. And of course I removed the D-pad and installed the joystick right here. And I didn't even have to drill a hole for that one actually, because the D-pad, the hole for the D-pad was big enough. And so now I can actually use the joystick and control everything. It's so much easier. And it works for Pinball FX3. So this is the rewind button in Pinball FX3 that's actually connected to this button right here. And then this button right here is select on Pinball FX3. And there's my Alienware Alpha right here. So I just turn that on, and then I can play my games, which is pretty cool. And then on this side I have my amplifier, and then I upgraded the haptic feedback under here. So guys, if this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up, and if you know anyone that might be interested in this video, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys.